Hi guys, Jethro Hooker here. Today I'm going to talk to you about trauma and life insurance and how it can save you from cancer. Okay, stay tuned. Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about trauma and life insurance and how it can save you from cancer. What I've also got, I've pulled out some articles about real life cases about New Zealanders and their families and their children on how major illnesses and diseases affects them and what happens when they actually get hit with one. So today I've got an article about a Unitech student, Jeff, and he got diagnosed with cancer, and this is out of the New Zealand Herald, February 2016. And Jeff was basically going to die from this form of cancer he got struck down with. His parents had to give up their jobs to start fundraising. They had no insurance cover for him. ACC would not pay out, and the drugs were not funded by Pharmac. These special drugs that can save his life were not funded by Pharmac. So they had to give up their jobs, and they had to try to raise money to basically save their son's life. So if I read a little bit about what happened to Jeff out of the New Zealand Herald article. So basically what happened is he needed, every month he needed doses that would cost up to $10,000. It has completely changed our lives, said his mother, Anita. They said there was nothing we can do for you unless you're willing to pay for the drugs, and he was basically going to die. And these drugs were not on Pharmac's list. And as you know, Pharmac is New Zealand's government department that approves drugs or doesn't approve drugs that can fight diseases and illnesses. And many of the latest drugs are not on Pharmac's list. So if you basically cannot pay for your child, but that threw us right into a tailspin because we had to find the funds immediately. You do not get any drugs until you hand over the money. Last week they had to fundraise dinner, the Teatro RSA, they were doing sausage sizzles, garage sales, and working in Pack and Save, trying to raise money for their child to basically save his life. The effects of the melanoma cancer had on him was horrendous. He twice developed tumours on his brain and had 2 operations to remove them. When he got tumours on his lungs, he was told they were inoperable. That is when he was told the only treatment was drugs that had to be brought and administered in the private system. He is now on a course of gene-targeted therapy and is taking Driblefene, or BRF for short. Within 2 weeks of first taking the drug, the tumours disappeared. Okay, so what I am saying is that trauma insurance and life insurance is absolutely fundamental for every family to protect you against diseases and disabilities such as cancer. If he if that family had some sort of trauma cover, then it would have been paid out and able to buy these particular drugs that are not funded by Pharmac. So we are actually able to go into our insurance companies, all the ones that are ranging around New Zealand, and we actually choose the very best covers that are available, and some of them actually have cover. If you take out a trauma product for the mother and the father, we have trauma insurance that is free to children under the age of 18, and this is so important to protect your families. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is I want you to go into www.lifeplans.co.nz, and in there we're going to give you a whole bunch of free information and free things. First of all, what we're going to give you is a free consumer's guide on exactly what insurances that you need to protect you and your family. Number 2, we're going to give you a free consultation, and we're going to help you guys specifically to set up a personal plan for you and your family so we can protect you and your children. And number 3, I'm also going to give you a copy of my latest book, Insure and Grow Rich. This is also going to help you guys basically the importance of insurance and the right insurance to take. Okay, great. Thanks, guys. The 3 most important personal risk insurance products that every New Zealand family needs. Do you have them? Go into our website, www.lifeplans.co.nz, and I will give you access to 3 free gifts that will help you. Number 1, become better informed on insurance companies and products. Number 2, to help you understand what to do and not what to do. Once you're in our website, fill out the free consultation register. The best part is you'll get our personal help, even if you have existing cover in place. You and your family cannot afford to not have the correct insurance protection plan any longer. Isn't it time to do it right? Go into www.lifeplans.co.nz to get started right now.